What's going on, FreeMelon family? Welcome back to the FreeMelon Society. I'm Eli Martyr. We're at the fitness studio, as you can see, and today I want to take you through really helpful mobility exercises. Loosen up your lower back and your posterior chain in a very helpful way that's going to allow you to have greater strength and mobility and functionality in your spine, in your body, in your back, and could very likely help you alleviate any kind of pains that you have in your lower back. Really helped me in my mobility game and my bodily functionality game. So yeah, let's get to it. So let me move back here just a little bit. I'll show you the full thing and then we'll do progressions after. So maybe I'm gonna start with a 20-pound dumbbell, okay? So eventually what you'd like to work up towards is the following, what I'm gonna show you here. Okay, so I'm in a deep squat. Feet are flat on the floor. I'm gonna be holding my weight, my resistance, and I'm gonna use my left hand and grab onto my right ankle, use that for support, and pull myself into the movement. Okay, very tiring exercise, and if you're really looking at gaining functional ability that you can carry to all other movement pursuits, this is the type of stuff that you want to be exploring in your activity. So let's do some progressions on how we can get to that point. So depending on your level of flexibility, you might want to just start here on your knees. Okay, so starting here on your knees, I might grab a smaller weight. So we got a 10-pound weight here. So I might want to start with just some twists, touching down with my hand on the ground and then reaching up and seeing where we can get to. Actually, let me go over just some of the twisting elements here first. So we've got two axes that we want to pay attention to. So we've got this axis, okay, this frontal axis of rotation where you're hinging at your hips. You've also got this axis where you can twist, all right? Almost as if you've got a pole kind of shooting right through your skull and jetting out of your perineum, which if you were to do that with a physical structure would probably kill you and hurt a lot on your way to death. Anyway, so imagine you have a skewer here at the top of your head and you're just rotating, okay? So we have those two planes, rotation here and forward hinging of the hips. There's also a very useful movement, and you saw it kind of in the heyday of strength athletes where they would do like a side press. And a side press is where it's like a shoulder raise, very much like a shoulder raise, but they would kind of tilt to the side a bit. And so they would engage just a different set of muscles in the lats, and then they would press up and hold the weight this way, right? So it's called a side press. So you're kind of incorporating all these three elements into this movement. If I'm sitting here on my knees and I want to get the idea, then I might start with a bit of a side press and then hinge forward with my hips and also twist. And then find your balance here. Try to reach as far as you can, twisting with your muscular effort, and then coming back up to the top. Okay, and you can rep that out as many times as you need. The Same thing on the other side. Open up, see where you can get to. When you get really good at that, what you might want to do is you might want to come up now on your toes, okay? And if you don't have the flexibility yet, the ankle mobility to get your heels flat on the floor, that's fine. You can use something to prop up your heels, any kind of platform, right? So let's just say this little dumbbell was a platform. It's not, but I could put that behind my toes like this so that I have a little bit of an easier time, all right? But for now, I'm not gonna use a platform. You're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna drop my hand down in front and twist, open up, okay? And then reach way back. Really feel that you're opening this whole cavity up and twisting at the hips, right? That nice torso twist. Oh, that feels so good.
That's what she said.
You can use your hand to support you in the space in front of you on the ground, and then see where you can get to, all right? And then just keep playing around with that. Keep moving, keep glossing this movement and opening up your chest. More twist with a light weight, a light resistance. Now, of course, when you get to the advanced stage, okay, then you can try to drop your heels all the way to the ground, come into this deep squat. There might be more instruction on how to develop a good deep squat like this. I guess that might be for another video. There's lots of mobility videos out there, so you could source any one of these people that showcase how to get this flexibility and work from there. See, it's boiling hot today, so excuse me if I'm sweating. Anyway, once we get to this point, what we're gonna add is I'm gonna try to grasp onto my ankle. Well, I guess first, before you get there, you could do the same thing you did in the last progression, where I put my hand on the ground and twist, okay? I'm using the back of my arm to push against my leg, add some resistance there, and open up. Yeah? Okay, so once we're good with that, what I'm gonna do, and this is the final progression, this is what we'd like to work up to, I'm gonna grab onto my ankle, all right? Grab onto my ankle with my left arm if I'm doing my press with my right, and as I do the press, I'm gonna be with this hand pulling to add opposing tension, opposing force to my ankle, and it will help to stabilize me as I rotate and push the weight up into the air. So I'll demonstrate this one more time. I'm gonna set up with my weight, back nice and straight, okay? Pulling, adding some tension, and as I do my side press, I'm gonna pull with my left and then open up, twist, right? Oh, get that nice extension. The whole side chain is just digging the benefit that you get from this type of stretch, but also the muscle engagement that you need to support that stretch with straight. Yeah, that feels so good. Let's try this with my left. Okay. Pull, add tension on my left ankle, and side press, and open up. Oh, so good.
That's what she said.
And then as you get better at that, you can add more weight and really start working some serious strength and some serious mobility. I'm gonna try this with a 30, and then that will be enough of this exercise for the day. Oh, go. Woo. That feels absolutely incredible. So anyway, guys, that's going to be it for today. I'd love for you to give this exercise a shot. at whatever progression that you feel is good for you. Work through it very slowly. Do it with good control. Okay, very good control. Don't rush. No ballistics, no bouncing, and you'll notice improvements in how much tension you carry in your lower back, as well as a whole bunch of other benefits that you get from this type of training, okay? As you may or may not know, I'm a raw vegan fruitarian, so I've been eating primarily fruit for almost 9 years now, and so you can imagine that there are a lot of people that have challenges or that would view the type of dietary approach that I bring to the table as extreme. And there's ideas that eating a natural diet would preclude you from having a good amount of physical fitness, okay? Well, obviously this is one of the things that I'm showcasing is absolutely not the case. And the good thing about this type of mobility training is that when people become very harsh and belligerent and contentious with me, then usually what you do is you capitalize on the mobility and functional movement that this type of training creates in your body, and you simply use the spin kick to your advantage when people are trolling you. I find spin kicks are very, very helpful.
USA, round
Not enough
one.
protein, bro.
Fight.
I don't want to be no pussy.
You win.
Bro, humans are like apex predators,
Fight.
man.
You win.
Of course, I'm kidding. I just really wanted to throw spin kicks today.
Hello? Carbs are the only macronutrient that are
Fight.
non-essential. Carbs are non-essential.
You lose.
Apex predators.
Round
You're gonna ruin
two.
your thyroid.
Perfect.
Man, your diet's unbalanced as fuck.
You lose.
How's the diabetes diet?
You lose. Perfect.
I've got some more training to do, but I hope that helped you guys. I hope you tried this out. Let me know how you improve. Leave some comments in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, guys?
China.
Stay healthy, stay fit, stay well, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.
Fight.